In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix PayPal cannot verify phone. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check the error message. Note the exact error message you see, and it helps you identify the right solution faster. You might need to confirm your phone number, so make sure that you enter the correct number with the country code. So don't miss out on the country code part. Also, you can ensure you have a stable mobile signal. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, or even try restarting your phone. You can also try requesting a new code and try again. You can also wait a few minutes if you didn't receive it. Always go ahead and check for the code in your SMS inbox and check spam, junk, or promotional messages as well. If SMS doesn't work, choose the call me option and you will receive an automated call with your code. If you try too many times, then wait 24 hours and try again later. You can also simply go to your phone number settings and remove old or unused numbers and try adding it